Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Ashimary hair. Big shout out to Ashimary for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I am rocking their HD Yaki straight wig. This is a 6 by 4.5 HD lace wig. This is a pre-cut wig, and when I tell you this wig is everything when it comes to texture, construction, fit, everything about this wig, perfect. So in this video I'm going to show you how I install it. As usual, I'm going to show you a few different styles. I did some messy waves. I used my wand curl and just do some messy waves in there, and I love this look. This look is giving. When I say messy, it's messy. There's nothing neat about it. I also show you what this looks like in a side part, and I also went outside and showed you what this wig is giving in the natural light. So this is what it looks like in artificial lighting, and it does look really well. It blends extremely well. This lace looks good up against the skin with no adhesive. So if you are truly a glueless girl, I mean, a lot of these glueless wigs, you still got to use glue because they just don't fit secure enough. But this definitely fits super, super secure. And I love that they have mastered the fit of a glueless HD wig. So I am going to give you a few specs about the wig while I install it. So you can purchase this wig in a 4x4, 5x5, a 6 by 4.5, which is what I have, a 13 by 4 or 13 by 6, all of which are HD lace. Also, you can get this in a layered cut if you like, as well as it being available in 8 inches all the way up to 26 inches. I've done Ashimary's longer length bobs and they definitely give, but it's something about this 14 that is giving I'm here for business, okay? So I am loving this. Also, this is super beginner friendly, very easy to install. The hair is very soft. I virtually had no shedding. This is the initial install, but there's nothing worse than initially installing a wig and it's shedding all over the place. So I can say that I have virtually no shedding for this first install. I love the way this looks, especially the back. The cut is so precise. A lot of times with bobs, they do something a little funny in the back, and that is always questionable, especially depending on how it sits on your head. It can elevate it, and then all of a sudden you have an angle bob. It's none of that. This is a straight bob is giving, lace is giving, texture is eaten down, okay? So I'm going to let you watch the rest of this video. I do talk to you a little bit more in the video, like here and there, but this is just the intro. I'm gonna put some tunes on and do what I do. Let me know how you guys feel about this look down below. Don't forget to check the links in the description box because I'm gonna have all the links, everything that I used, this wig, any discount codes, you know that will be in the description box as well as the comment section. And I believe I either have an Ashimary playlist or I will just link this to my natural hair texture playlist, because I have a playlist with all my kinky straight, yaki straight textured hair, so like natural textured hair. And then I also have a bob playlist, so check out some of my playlists while you're here. I promise you will not be disappointed. Big thank you to Ashimary Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you beauties in the next one. Bye. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go outside really quick